Like if I call Marcos a belligerent whore, you know. He is belligerent and he is a whore, but not a belligerent whore.
I'm gonna have a very long video of Fernie.
Eating crackers? Are you hungry?
What'd you think I was doing?
I thought you were reading a text.
Oh, reading something? No, it's a nice video.
Right there. That's lovely, man.
Oh, that's lovely. Sip in some soda. Do it again.
Why are you taking a video?
Sip some soda.
Why are you taking a video?
No, do it.
No, why are you taking a video?
No, how do I do? Do it. No, go.
Why are you taking a video of me?
Why do you feel self-conscious?
Why do you have a video of me?
Why don't you just work it, Fernie? Why don't you just go with it? Huh?
Because I don't know what you're going to do with the video afterwards.
What are we gonna do with the video? What? I'm just gonna watch it lovingly in the dark, alone. There you go, Fernie. Sip some soda.